Sad back, honey. Let's go. Sad guy. So hello everyone, it's Saturday and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I didn't say I'm back for yet another video. I didn't say I'm back for yet another video. I was like, I am back for yet another video. Yes, honey, that's how it is. So to my new subscribers and my old subscribers, honey, this is what we are giving today. Just giving you guys angelic So how are you guys doing? It's been a while. I am so sorry that I missed a day of uploading. It's because I was fully booked for the past 4 days, honey, and I'm gonna take it, honey. I need to pay them bills.
Point blank, period.
So I will be getting into the video for you guys today. And how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Shout out to Von Socks, honey. I'm with you, girl. I love you so much. Ella, I love you too. And I'm just wishing you guys all the best. And Von, don't worry, you'll be fine. So let's get into this video and let me know how things are going, okay, you guys? So I said it's time to go. I don't make this up. Believe me, I don't make any of these videos up. That's why you guys see the videos, you're like, wait, what? Like, this exists, you know. As a stylist, I said to myself, oh, you know what? I've been in the industry for so long, you know, I've seen it all. Honey, Hairdresser uses farm animal products on her clients. First of all, you guys know I hate the word clients. I use the word guests. So when I had clients, I was like, oh, this bitch. So I want to say, I don't know if my stomach can handle all of this right now. So let's just see this. Oh my God. Just when I think I've seen it all, then this happens.
Lean back for me.
You better lay back, honey. No, she's a sister. Are you kidding? Girl.
Like 2 seconds.
All right, then come on now, Will. I got you.
Okay now.
School, and she got her cosmetology license, and she came to me and said, "Hey, Dad, I'm out of school now, so I start working for you doing hair." I agreed, and one of the best decisions I made. Before Palin started working here, we used to just sweep it up and throw the hair away. But since she's been here, she's been collecting it.
I made my dad save all the hair.
Hold on, wait. You all better stop. She is what now? Honey. You all play too much. Wait, she's what? Collecting the hair. What will she do with it? Wait, I'm confused.
Hair that he cuts because it actually saves me money.
How?
I have long hair, short hair, straight hair, curly hair, kinky hair. It doesn't matter. I collect it because hair has a lot of uses.
Why are you saving
It's made of
I use
protein.
it for a fertilizer.
Oh!
I'm not going to spend money on plant food. It's not food for me. I use the long strands of hair for the couch cushions because if you stuff it inside, it just makes it more comfortable to sit on.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Honey, what if someone sits and one of the hair pokes you? You guys, when you cater to a diverse clientele, you know Asian hair can poke you. Like, it's very sharp. So what if it comes through? Curly hair, not so much because it's soft. It just goes round, ringy. But sometimes it can come through. But guys, you can get hair splinter. Oh my gosh. Is she serious? No, you're not.
See? Once you put the hair in it, see? This one.
What is this? Lice outbreak.
She showed me the couch. I'm like, what the hell is that?
Oh no! No!
Be safe hair.
The customers, they may think Palin's really cheap, and she is.
Yeah, she is cheap.
Shop a lot of money.
Okay, all the father is seeing is that she's making a lot of. The father is not seeing anything other than she's bringing the coochie, the uchi, the dough. That's what the father is. The father is like, you better bring the money. What
The
the?
car that I have is perfectly fine, and it still runs. So I
Where is she?
need to buy a new car.
I want to go to that.
So instead of going to the dealership paying like $200, I got my own grill, and It didn't cost me anything, and I put it on with these hair ties.
Oh, she's not playing at all.
It's really hot here in Georgia. So instead of buying a steering wheel cover, I wrapped it in wig tape, and it keeps my hands cool.
In wig
There's
tape?
nothing you can't fix with hair ties and wig tape.
Hairstylist Palin Mathis is hosting a bridal party at a salon in rural Georgia.
I'm sorry. I'm sure when TLC saw this, they're like, wow, you will make a great video for us. I'm sorry.
Host clients. Palin needs products.
The most expensive thing about having bridal parties at the shop is they want expensive lotions,
Of course.
creams. I actually figured out a way I could host these bridal parties without spending very much money at all.
Stop
This
it.
shampoo is a total scam. I can go to the beauty supply store and get the shampoo that's on the bottom shelf because it
What?
gets the job done.
Okay, hold on. As a cosmetologist, we are speaking against off-the-shelf products, the divergent products, and she specializes in. Wait. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Wait, what? Excuse
I don't
me?
know this, but a lot of salons that I've gone to actually use products that are really for animals.
Hmm? Okay. Oh my god. You know when you're trying to elevate the industry standard,
How's it going?
then you hear this and you're like,
Pretty good. How can we help you today?
I'm a salon owner, and I'm throwing this big like bridal party.
Uh-huh.
I was thinking if you guys had a couple items you could sell me.
what type of items?
Bridal party? We sell feed, hay, and
We've had people coming by asking for roosters and hens and
goats.
goats all the time, but never beauty supplies.
What?
Everything we got's for animals.
Is it okay if I look in the shed?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure.
She's serious.
I knew I could find some of the beauty supplies at the farm.
She can come and buy my body lotion and use it in someone's hair, I guess.
The mane and tail shampoo, a lot of salons actually use that product. So
Really?
I knew I hit a gold mine. And I found some kitty litter.
What would you use? Oh, the kitty litter for the
Same
plants.
ingredients that you would find in a $200 clay face mask.
What in the world
Wait,
do you
what?
do?
Hold on. No. Stop it. You mean she wants to use kitty litter or cat litter, at this point cat's poop, as a face mask in the salon?
Oh, hell no!
You all better stop. No, she's not.
That are for?
It'll work.
Hairstylist to hairstylist, are you kidding?
Never heard of such. Must be a city thing.
Be like that, so the thing go. The woman is just laughing.
Big jugs of petroleum jelly for cows udder.
Fuck you.
50 ways to use petroleum jelly. You can use it for your lip balm, salt scrub, a foot scrub. You can use it for just about anything.
Oh yeah, people, old farmer's hands.
Yeah.
And she's gonna use them on people's lips. Let's see, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. Heck, I don't know. How about 10.50?
$10.50. Ooh, that's a little pricey, but okay.
Wait, is she kidding me?
If I had gone to the beauty supply store, I probably would spend.
Hold on, 10.50 is a little pricey. So wait, if you use that amount, that type of products, then what will you charge? I'm just confused because if the products you're using are so archaic that my African belly is crying, you can imagine. Wait, hold on. No. I'm confused.
Spend well over $100.
You all better not expect to see me in an animal farm place ordering products for my guests. Oh my gosh. She's making them one.
I need some help. put some jelly in this bowl.
Okay.
This is gonna be my
Ugh.
foot scrub. The chocolate fantasy.
I just feel that
of
twitch.
Chocolate chips, salt, and petroleum jelly. Then I stick it in the microwave and melt it, and I mix it up.
So you're gonna put chocolate chips on people.
Yep.
And what is this for?
It's a special clay mask. Go ahead and mix
Oh
that.
my God.
Mix that in.
It is kitty poop, kitty litter, honey. I want to say something, right? The way she packages it, she done upgrade that stuff. Look at.
Okay, ladies, we have some cakes for you and some.
I'm so scared.
Instead of
I'm
spending
so scared. I'm so scared for the product.
waffle and sausage sandwiches, and I had some Twinkies, and I put strawberry jelly on top for the dessert.
Oh my God! For someone like me that is vegan.
It's off there.
Okay, we're gonna get you something great.
This is
No.
It's chocolate fantasy. It's organic. When I was rubbing it in that chocolate fantasy, after a while, it really smelled good to me.
Yeah.
Yes, it's our special clay mask. Very exfoliating.
Honey.
I'm really.
It be kitty litter, girl. Kitty litter. That is cat poop. Let's put it that way. Cat poop. The poop on my face. I can see you using mud and putting it on my face. Clay mask, yes. But kitty poop.
Really glad I came to Palin and Rob's shop. This has been a really great way for me to start off my wedding.
I'm always gonna be a saver. I think nothing's probably ever gonna change.
To my surprise, she really pulled it off. We made a great profit.
To have more money in my pocket just makes me feel good.
Guys, that is how I feel. Hairstylist to hairstyle. Oh my God. You know what? Fuck this. I'll see you guys in the next video. No. I
gotta go home because I forgot to vacuum my room. I'll be back.